Alright, part 6 of my home metal casting video. Welded the cans together. Didn't have too good luck with that. A little welder just wasn't up to the task. Didn't have precise enough controls. It's either high or minimum or maximum. Of course, the wire speed. But for the heat settings, I just couldn't get it good enough for this using flux core. If we had our Lincoln one at the shop, or if I had something better than Chinese wire, probably would have turned out better. But even though it's not pretty, and I did burn through in some spots, it's holding good enough for what we need, because building these home little furnaces, they're not going to last very long just because of the materials, obviously. So, anyways, now that you have that attached, if you don't want to weld, you can just put those screws all the way around. That'd work out fine. Still, that's the worst weld I've ever done in my life. Holy crap. Next step, because I don't have a free one to show you right now, I've decided I'm just going to go the pneumatic route and use the air compressor to pump air into my little furnace. So pick up a few of these at your local Harbor Freight store. Usually get them for 59 cents or so. Yeah. So next step is to take a compressor fitting, and we're going to want to put that, you want to drill a hole towards the bottom, slightly smaller than the diameter of your compressor fitting. And personally, don't get the brass one for this part, get the steel one. At least if you want to do things a little better. After my weld here, I'm not sure if I'm going to try it or not. I might try it, but after cutting your hole, since it's going to be slightly smaller, you should be able to screw that fitting into your can, and then I'm going to actually tack weld with a steel pneumatic fitting. I'm just going to tack it. I tried laying the bead down here and it just got either too hot or too cold, but a tack should be just fine. So I'll tack it together and see. Here's my box. Sorry, I'm late and I'm tired, not thinking right. I'll tack it on there just to give a little extra stability. And I'm not sure yet. I might just get a steel plate if I have a scrap one laying around. It's a maybe if I have one or not. And I might put a square steel plate, this on top of it, and tack the can to that plate. That way I have a little more weight holding this thing down and upright. Because right now, that can be a little tipsy possibly. So that's it for tonight. Tomorrow, if I have a chance, I'm going to be stopping at Harbor Freight and grabbing one of those fittings. See you next video.